Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now in Nigeria they like to say Oyinbo don't fall Mugun from my hand and all that kind of stuff, trying to say that they've outwitted the Oyinbo guy and all that kind of stuff. They like to say that a lot, but in this clip, tell me who fell Mugun. So I'll play you a clip now and I will come back and discuss it.
That's my seat. Yes, we are going to New York. Watch out. Yes. See that? Don't worry, I'm going with you.
Really?
Yes.
My heart.
Oh Jesus! No, God, please calm down. I'm here for you.
And you know, don't ask me if I have banana in my pocket.
Jesus!
No, it's only because I'm happy to see her.
You see? So watch out. This is my new book. You'll see us on social media everywhere. You know, our wedding day is coming very soon. Watch out and save the date. Kiss, kiss. Mwah.
So there you saw the Oyinbo guy and his Nigerian babe in Nigeria, with the Oyinbo guy obviously making promises of trips to New York, taking her to New York and all that kind of stuff. Now, firstly, that Oyinbo guy doesn't sound anything American. He sounds either Arab or Eastern European or something like that. But obviously, he's Oyinbo, and that's really all that the girl cares about. And all she sees is Oyinbo equals America and out of Niger, and effectively that's what she sees. Meanwhile, the guy is getting what he wants, and I think we're all clear on what he wants, and he is getting that. So now, is she now going to get that trip to New York that she set her heart on? Well, that remains to be seen. That's where the question is. I mean, I have my thoughts, you have your thoughts, so let's go share thoughts of American trips in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, the bell notification so you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. Then come talk Americano with me in the comment section. So I'll leave you here and I'll meet you there, and I'll say peace, man.